Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Today we're trying one of the newest and most talked about cafes in Stockport, the Sticky Fingers. Every time we pass by, there seemed to be a queue. So we finally decided to see what's all the hype was about. And so, we enjoyed the selection of sweet treats and pastries and drinks. And we are very pleasantly surprised by the generous portion sizes and delicious flavors they have. We also learned that the business started as a market stall before growing into this beautiful site. So, come and join us to see what we ordered. And for those new here in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe.